We are the revelry, we are the dreamers. We dance through the night, in our bones we can feel it.
Nung dumating si Iliana sa buhay namin, lalong naging masaya yung family kasi syempre dadagdagan kami. So, napaka-adorable niyang baby at sweet.
Actually, hindi na nga namin in-expect yun eh. Surprise din kami. Naging masaya ang buhay namin. Pasalamat lang din ako na naging okay kami, na meron siyang kapatid na kalaro na rin.
Sanggol na naging
Eyes
anak
open
ng Diyos.
wide and the world is before us.
Yana, congratulations!
We are the sound of a beautiful chorus.
Sana lumaki siyang mabait, may takot sa Diyos. May the Lord always protect you, guide you, and watch you always.
We've been waiting for this moment to come. We were made for this adventure. We feel it. We're alive. We have everything we need and we know. We will
Gusto ko si Liam, matuloy yung gusto ko dati na maging piloto. So yun, sana maging piloto siya. Kay Jean Liana naman, gusto ko pasukin niya ang pagiging sa medical health. Yung mga doktor, ganyan, medicine. Is meron doktora sa family namin.
aiming for the stars against the sky. One way out of bed, we are bright.
Liam, I want you to know that we love you so much. Stay happy kahit makulit ka. Happy birthday, Liam.
Liam, happy birthday for you. You know that Daddy love you so much, and always remember that our Liana, Mommy, and me is always here for you, whatever happens in that.
Yes, I love you so much, baby.